time for some work at home here in our guest bedroom. As you can see, we have some stuff here and we want to work with that. Hello everyone!
Hello!
Today is Saturday and it's time for some
DIY.
Yeah! A while ago, I think a month ago, we found some very nice prints, and I think some of you might remember that when we are now guest bedroom, by the way, and at first we thought we would be buying some prints showing animals dressed as gentlemen, gentlewomen,
or as soldiers.
Yeah, and we totally changed our minds.
Yeah.
We did some internet research. Well, we found something that just fits this room. The wallpaper, it's from the Victorian era, and one print, especially one print, is quite funny. So let's have a look. So this is what we found. We found this so funny. The flight of intellect. We just think, steam riding rocket, it looks too funny. And this will go here, and two other prints. This one. I don't know. What was it? Like some performance?
Yeah, poster.
So yeah, for performance in London.
Yeah. Yes.
More or less comic song. And this one is the Vauxhall Royal Balloon, and we just think this looks wonderful because we have balloons. There are balloons on the wallpaper as well, so this is just perfect. And just 2 days ago we got this very beautiful blind. This is a fabric from peony and sage, and we also have these cushions in the same fabric, and we think this will look so nice. So I think we start with the prints first.
Yes.
And put them up, and we'll do that downstairs on our kitchen table. And you know what's really good? We have some fabric left, and I had the idea to make some, I don't know, some kind of needle cushion, something like that. That would look so nice. I have an idea for something that, well, we'll be sharing that soon on YouTube. So, okay, let's take this and go downstairs. So we'll start with a big one, the bigger print. What you did now is you put the print behind the mount, correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
And adjust it.
Yeah.
It looks good.
Let me see. Yeah, I think it looks fine.
Good.
Yeah. And then you put it in the frame. And what you usually do is, well, you kind of seal it, right?
Yes.
So that it's protected from dust. Yeah. Because that's the biggest problem, dust. And those are art prints. I will link it down for you in the description box where we found them. Yeah. Yeah, it looks nice. And I think now you can seal it. That should do it, right?
Yeah, it should seal it off.
Yeah. It definitely protects it from dust.
So now let's see
You want to use that?
check which kind of fixings we're going to use.
Yeah. Next one.
Good so.
You know what? I'm really excited about this one.
Yeah.
Always wanted it.
No, it's a wonderful picture.
Yeah. I love this. I think the frame looks nice. We wanted something traditional.
Yeah.
And on to the last one. And this is the third print.
Yeah.
It looks a bit strange. This isn't what we did. It was like that.
Yeah.
So it looks old, and you said it is from a print itself.
Yeah. It's probably scanned.
Yeah.
And that's what was folded.
But that looks, I think it's just perfect for the room.
Yeah.
Really
A
beautiful.
circus clown.
And it takes about 1.5 hours to prepare, so you just need to take your time.
Yeah. But look, we are Germans and we do this properly.
Really?
Yes. Yeah. Even just putting a picture into a frame is a kind of engineering job.
Yeah. Yes, I think that's good. Yeah. Let's do it. So, what do you reckon, Jörg?
Cool. Looks amazing. I love this picture.
Now these two will go above the bed. I wouldn't have guessed, but this takes us all afternoon. But we don't have any other plans, so that's more than okay. You're right.
Mm-hmm.
And this is the result. And we really like it, don't we?
Oh yes.
What do you think?
It's just amazing. It's just, yeah. You can just smile.
Yeah. It just makes the room a lot more, I don't know, lived in, cozy, and yeah. On to our next task, which is our custom-made blind. Not sure how long that's going to take, but I don't know. So Jörg just removed the curtain so he has more space to measure everything for the blind. Yay!
Looks nice.
Yeah. And now the curtain's back up.
I'll do that.
I think the blind, I don't know, it just makes the look a bit more complete, doesn't it?
It transforms the window.
Yeah, very, very nice.
It's beautiful.
I think we only have to steam the curtains again.
Yeah.
But very nice.
No. The room looks so different now.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
So just a little bit closer so that you can see the blind better. Lovely. We really like it. Okay, the rest of the beautiful fabric goes in here where we keep some of our fabric samples and the rest of the Kate Foreman fabric, where we have the lampshades made downstairs in our snug, if you remember, and we have some left, and that goes in here for the time being. Okay, so the only thing that is missing now is probably 1 or 2 shelves here.
Yeah.
And changing of the switches and sockets in brass to make to make it look nicer. And then this room is done. And this is it for today.
Yeah.
We'll continue tomorrow. We bought a very nice lamp for the hallway.
Yeah.
And we also bought a very nice oil painting.
Yeah, for the
Snug.
Yeah.
For the snug, but we haven't got that yet. We'll get that next week. This will be our first original painting, Jörg.
Yeah.
What do you
Yeah.
say?
We've never owned one.
No, that will be quite exciting, or that's quite exciting.
Yeah.
Can't wait to show you. But we're still waiting for it, so that will be in another vlog, probably. So we'll see you again tomorrow.
Yeah. Until tomorrow.
Okay, that wasn't true. This is actually, this is an original as well.
That's actually the first oil painting you bought.
Yeah. That's the first one. Hello again.
Good morning. Oh, no, good afternoon.
Yeah, it's already afternoon. We lost track of time. We are back doing some DIY. What are you doing, Jörg?
I'm painting.
Yes.
Painting the ceiling in our landing.
Yes, he's painting the ceiling and the landing. You're almost done, actually.
Yeah.
And I'm going to sand the cupboard behind us to prepare it for the primer before we're going to paint that one. And what else, Jörg?
What else?
The light?
Yeah, the light. I love that. Put up a light.
We found the most amazing antique light for the landing that completely matches the light downstairs from the hallway.
Yeah, and I'm going to show it to you.
And we found it by chance.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just get it. And this is it.
Yeah.
This is it. Perfect size and completely like the exact style as the light downstairs.
Yeah. But this one is really antique.
Yes, this one is from the 19th century. So again, perfect for this house. Yeah. And it will go up here and replace this. And yeah, for us, it has the perfect style for this house. Great. See, this is the other one. So it's pretty much the same style. So great that we found that one. Jörg is almost done with the ceiling. Just this bit and he's finished, and then we can start with the walls.
Very good, my dear. Do you need some help?
I'm actually almost done.
Oh.
Yes, I'm done.
Are you sure?
It just needs a bit of preparation and then it's done.
Yeah.
one more thing finished. Small steps do the trick as well.
Looks good.
Yes. You're tired now, aren't you?
Yeah, I am.
It feels like tiny steps.
Yeah. You spent the whole day, and at the end you've just painted the wall and fixed the lamp.
Yeah. But, I mean, and you said like your brain feels like
Mash.
Mashed potatoes.
Yes.
And we just try to make it a relaxed evening, I don't know.
Yeah, we'll see.
And well, we hope you like the DIY vlog. There will be more, because we have to prime the cupboard and paint it.
Yeah.
And then we'll have to paint the walls as well.
Yeah, a landing.
Yeah, and yeah, we'll get there.
Yeah, but it will look nice in the end.
Yes, it will be worth it in the end, I'm sure. And we hope you liked it, and as always, stay safe.
Yeah, take care of yourself. Yeah.
Take care of yourself, and we'll see you again very soon.
Bye.
Bye.